Relax, guys. Take it easy. Don't worry about anything.
So are you getting excited to wear your costume?
Smile for the world.
Hello, world.
Which is it supposed to be on? Memory or
No.
camera?
Camera.
Why?
Because then it goes to the tape.
What's wrong
Memory
with
goes
memory
to the
card?
memory card. Oh, it's up to you.
What, honey?
Okay.
How do you ask?
That's easy, then I can just
Okay,
stick it in.
then put it on memory.
But I don't think that worked last time.
Okay, then put it on tape.
Can Leo have a truck, Mark? Can you give Leo one of
Look at
those,
Leo.
please?
You can always play it back onto the computer.
Yeah, I know.
You're going to give him that one? Oh, thank you, Mark.
Mark, say hello.
Hey, Mark, say hello to the camera.
Hi.
Say hi. Oh, look, show everybody your hood. Look. It's got little ears on it. Look, look at
Ah!
Look at his ears, though.
That's like the one I made. Not really.
You see how his ears go like out?
Wait, Mark. Whoa.
Come on, you're on television, boy.
You have one at home. That's not yours. That's his.
Lorenzo, do you need a jacket?